Are you feeling giggling or shy while you are conversation with friends or in front of the audience? I am here with useful topic and I'm going to talk about the self-confidence, know your worth, how much you are. Let's move.
Why you are feeling sad? I am here. Assalamu alaikum. I am Adnan Gul. Today I would like to talk about self-confidence to remove your shyness. Confidence. Confidence is the most possessive thing that you success. Assalamu alaikum. I am Adnan Gul. Today I would like to talk about
Every success has behind confidence. And today I'm here with useful topic. I'm Salman as usually with Adnan Gul. And today before the starting our session, we have to discuss some of the important factors while our confidence. So let me share about the definition of it and why we are lacking of the confidence in most of the youth. Yes.
confidence. Confidence means that you believe in yourself
Yes.
and now yourself, your ability and ideas.
Definitely.
And the another term to related to the self confidence is self esteem.
Yes.
Self esteem is the feeling and ability in yourself.
Yes.
I will discuss some of the important tips to remove our shyness and
Yes. On fear.
fears.
Yes.
Yes.
So what are the points that you are going to discuss with our youth or our the audience as well? So you have to share with us kindly.
The first is very important points is the practice of self conscious the practice of self living consciously.
Definitely.
For example, when we sit for learning, we sit for learning, but we think another
Another
things.
purpose. Yes.
Yes, to focus one time on one things. To
Yes.
your self consciously self living conscious will be
Increase. Yes.
increase.
Definitely.
And
Actually, as before the starting your the another topic, mostly while we are sitting on the class and while yes usually you are also sitting, so you are also thinking at your aunt home
yes, we are
mostly.
thinking about PSL. Now this time you will be
Definitely,
watch it the
definitely.
PSL match start and we will read the book and think about the PSL who will win.
Okay, so for example, if you want to watch the PSL matches, so do you have your favorite team? So you have to leave your comment section. Okay, before this, talking about the another session, another topic that you have to self conscious. Okay, so what is the another reason that we are lacking of the confidence?
Another reason is the practice of self responsibility.
Definitely, yes.
For example, sometimes we feel because to we give the reason to another person. I am
Yes.
feel because of you. Why you
Definitely.
say this? Believe and increase your self responsibilities.
Definitely.
Like
Yes.
sometime people say to me, I am filled. Why you are filled? To take your responsibility and
Yes.
hard work, you will be not fail. You will be success and achieve more and more
Definitely. Actually,
opportunity.
our youth, related to our the self responsibility, the one of the important factors that we are feeling of the lazy, right?
Yes.
Mostly, as for example, my father or my someone mentor has given us some of the tasks. So I say, Mr. Dan will do this, or Mr. Noban will do this, I will do this. So the things that you have to take responsibility before that you have to waste your the precious time. So the one of the main factor that which comes in under the self confidence. Yes, the third one, sir.
Yes, the third one is the practice of self acceptance.
Yes,
Accept what you cannot change and what you can change. The
definitely.
thing that you cannot change, why you can
Want
more
to
hard
change?
work and
Definitely, yes.
waste your time.
Definitely, yes.
Like luck.
And might be you are talking about the luck or the fateful about
Yes,
something which is you call tadbir or taqdeer is a related of this term. Yes.
yes. And the another point
Yes.
you will think about the self acceptance or you will talk about this
Self acceptance.
Yes,
Self acceptance mean that you have to familiar with any kind of activity which comes in your comes, that you have to say yes, I can do this thing. Self acceptance, it also mean that you have to self believe yourself and how
yes.
much you are. As before the starting of our session, as I told you, the self confidence mean that you have to know yourself, right? Or the esteem mean that you have to how much ability that you have. Do you have self confidence? Leave your comment. Yes.
Next one is the practice of living purposely.
Yes.
It's mean set goals
Yes.
in
Long,
future.
are you talking about the long term or the short goals? Long term goals, yes, are
Yes,
for future. Yes.
for
Well,
future goals and
well,
hard work for this.
definitely.
And do not did not shine because you people loving behind me. I will not do this in future.
Yes.
Leave people and
Leave the people and do your hard work and make interest on them. Yes.
yes. The next one is face your fear.
Definitely. Yes. Face your fear. Yes. It means face your challenging. Yes. Well,
Yes, do not did not afraid or exhausted,
hesitated. Yes.
hesitated
Well,
from any person
yes.
work.
Definitely.
Believe on yourself, you
Yes.
will do this.
Yes.
For example, last week I watch a match
Mhm.
to bowlers come,
Mhm.
maybe a team I
Multan Sultan or
maybe
which one?
Multan Sultan. He come and commentator said that the bowler was young, emerging player. The
Okay.
comment I listened the commentator. He said,
Well,
"Come on, Zaman, you do this."
okay, they were give the some of the
Yes,
emotion that you can do this activity.
yes.
Yes,
No, do
yes.
not afraid from
That's
batsman,
it.
and you
Yes.
do this
Okay.
to
You can kill
believe
with the
on
mid
your
wicket. Yes.
yes
Well,
and believe your
self
self
that you
confidence.
can do this work.
Yes,
Okay. And that you are discuss about some of the important factors that we are the lack of the confidence. That was related of our the self
yes.
confidence. So, is it improvement of the self confidence or that outcome of this thing?
This is improvement.
Okay, improvement
Practice.
trips. Okay,
Yes.
well, okay, you were discuss about the improvements. Well, okay, yes.
Now we'll discuss the or
Overcome of these fears or hesitation.
yes.
Well,
Why believing in yourself is more important.
definitely, if you are not believe ourselves, so who will come to believe ourselves? Remember this thing. Before the starting any kind of work, that you have to believe yourself, that Mr. Salman or Mr. Nan, that you can do, you can say I can do this work. Remember, our mind is like a flexible. If you can say this work is very difficult, how is it possible, how will do this work, so definitely the work will not be done from you. So if you can say this is easy, so Allah will give the strength and you can achieve your milestone with full of emotion, with hard working. So this is very important, that you have to know yourself and that you have to believe yourself, that we are confident. Well,
Yes.
okay, yes.
We are confident when we come in
And
front of camera.
I well.
The question is my next question. What the benefits of self confidence?
Okay, this is the important question that he has usually asked from me, and he's very nutty as well. Okay, the benefit of the self confidence is mean that, for example, if you have a lot of knowledge, but if you are not able to speak in front of the audience, in front of the visual communication, rather in a class or the with friends, so definitely your knowledge is not give the benefits from you. But the okay, we have two types of people. The one we have boldly confidence. The one
Yes.
we have a little bit confidence. But both have increased your ability in front of the
In time,
audience.
my time.
But the one of that we have no confidence. Okay, this is a kind of luck. Some of the people, they have a lot of knowledge, but they have the lack of the confidence. But as for example, we are confident, but we are the lack of the knowledge as well. So definitely this is the
But
opposite things, okay, that you have to learn something and try to teach to other body. Definitely you will get what confidence.
most
Yes.
people have more knowledge, but they have no confidence to explain in front of audience.
Yes.
Other people who can ask from the person
Definitely.
have a
Yes.
lot of knowledge, but
Yes.
they have not no confidence to explain in front of other.
Okay, as you know, what's the aim of the presentation? While usually we are doing in our university or our academy or our any a place that are given the opportunity, the big thing that we can say leave it. Pray the mother the karsa barahum. Okay, I use this sentence and post to you are better understanding. Remember this thing. The one of my friend in university, he reached at the sixth or seventh semester, but he not to present anything in front of the audience. I'm talking about the formal things. I'm not talking about the informal thing. Remember this thing. So remember, you have to avail the opportunity. As for example, as Allah has given the opportunity, we are improve our self confidence in front of the visual communication or the audience communication. So definitely, if we will do something, so definitely we will gain this confidence. If you are not facing anything, so how we can learn? Is it impossible that we can learn by the God gift? Remember this thing. Everybody has different qualities or
Yes.
difference, but they want to know the one of the habits that I'm going to discuss with you, that you have to highlight. Okay, pick your notebook and draw a line, and the one that you have write your strength, another point that you have write your weakness, and try to convert those are the weakness convert into strength. It will remove your shyness or
And again,
enhance your confidence. Another
yes.
question, sir.
How you can be more confident in relationship?
Yes, the important question, confidence in relationship, everything. If we get responsibility, for example, if you are not responsible, so how you will get a relationship with somebody?
Yes.
As for example, if Allah has given the opportunity, if you want to become a father or mother, anything, the relationship. So if we are not any kind of the responsibility, so definitely we will not making maintain our relationship. So this is one of the important factors, self-confidence. Now you are self, Mr. Adnan, why you are here, okay?
Yes.
The aim of our life is another thing, but we have to know it and then implement it in your life. Yes.
How you can be more confidence in socially and at work?
If you will gathering with somebody. As for example, if you are this is also related to the personality development.
Yes.
Inshallah, we will also share the one of the link in your description box. So must watch about how you will see the self confidence along with the personality development.
Development.
Okay, your question was how we can confidence while our gathering, our
Yes.
socialization. Remember this thing. The one of the personality type there is introvert. As for example, introvert is also sit alone and they are usually not communicating with somebody. The one of the extrovert personality, they want to communicate with somebody. Right? So the if you are to do gathering with somebody, for
Yes.
example, if you do the gathering within market in somebody, so definitely we will gain confidence. But if we remain alive in home, so we will not able to speak. As for example, the mostly student, the mostly children that you have you seen, they are the pampered like a lad line. They
Yes.
are not able to communicate while our conversation in the students, or even if they want to buy something from the shopkeeper, they are not communicating with
Yes. They
anybody.
stand silent and
Yes, you can say uncle and mama, you have to
yes.
give this thing. So remember this thing, the confidence we have to do practice with our childhood to better that you can do this or you can do this. You have to give the responsibility to it to avail the confidence. Yes. And should be with the prominent admonish or advice that you have to avail opportunity. Remember
Yes.
this thing. If you are not availing, for example, everybody has a lot of opportunity,
Yes.
but they are not. They can say, "Leave it. We will do next time." So leave nothing. Do
Yes.
today. Right is more better right now and avail your opportunity. See inshallah with useful topic. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.